Nung tempo na nahirapan din makahabol dito ang Signal. A clear violation. Gia is a back row setter and that was an overball.
So Signal now looking for their biggest run yet. And a miraculous comeback here. And Creamline are 3 points away. Carlos, Doug. Jamzon was checked. Gia looking for points. And why not?
There you go. Bernadette Pons targeting down the line. Mahirap na dito makakuha ng magandang defense ang Signal Super Spikers. We didn't see a lot of long rallies for this set number 3.
Lori Bernardo getting some playing time. 2 away for Creamline. Santos tried to roll it. Bernardo. Jamzon was ready. Jamzon's turn to attack. Carlos is playing setter here.
That's right. Usually we see double subs pag nagpapasok sila ng opposite hitter. But Tos Carlos played as a setter during that last sequence. But now Gia de Guzman is back in for Creamline.
Gia BDL will send us to match point.
A clean hit there for Bea De Leon. Very good connection between Gia de Guzman and Bea. Hindi na nakasabay doon yung blockers ng Signal.
24 serving 16, a point away from taking game number 1. Pump set for Jamzon. Is this it for Creamline? Galanza! And that is the point! The game-winning point for the Goal Smashers. And they will take game number 1 of the PVL All-Filipino Conference Finals. Pure Gold always panalo play of the set. Creamline Goal Smashers get the job done in 3 sets, and they are 1 game away